A missile just launched. Who's watching? Meet the one aircraft that sees it all before it hits. A missile launches, but hundreds of miles away, an aircraft already knows. It's not magic, it's GlobalEye. The airborne early warning system turning milliseconds into life-saving decisions, from a flying balloon with a telescope to a high-tech command center in the sky, airborne surveillance has evolved. Today's threats aren't just from one direction. They hit from land, sea, and air all at once. And when the battlefield is everywhere, you need eyes that can see everything. Think of GlobalEye like a giant flashlight in the sky. Enemy trying to sneak in under the radar. Too bad. This thing sees stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, even hypersonic ones in real time through heavy jamming. While fighter jets carry small radars, GlobalEye carries the big guns, massive radars, ultra-advanced sensors, able to track multiple targets simultaneously, even low observable threats. And once it sees them, it doesn't wait. It transmits instant data to ground forces, fighter jets, or command centers, giving them time to strike first. How far can it see? Well, altitude matters, and GlobalEye flies high. Its radar isn't blocked by Earth's curve, meaning one aircraft can monitor land, sea, and air over vast regions. This isn't just about war. GlobalEye's dual-use tech also helps in disaster relief, border monitoring, even securing major events. It's not just a war machine, it's an intelligence backbone. And unlike satellites, it can fly anywhere, anytime, without costing billions. That's why GlobalEye is considered the most capable early warning system on the planet. In a world where every second counts, GlobalEye doesn't just see danger, it beats it.